When not responding to emergencies, the Fayetteville Fire Department spends much of their time training. This home is a safe distance from other structures and needs to be torn down. So they turned this into a lesson that benefits firefighters at every stage of their careers.
We got 5 rooms in this house behind me, and we're burning 5 different scenarios. And then tomorrow we'll have a class full of fire investigators, and they'll have to try to determine the origin and cause of the fires.
Each room tells a story: an electrical malfunction, a discarded cigarette, an intentionally set fire. Different causes, different burn patterns, different lessons. The goal isn't simply to extinguish the flames, it's understanding how they behave.
They're able to be here and actually see a compartment develop. They won't see that in the real world. By the time they get there, that's already happened. So it gives them a better understanding of how fire works.
That experience is especially valuable for the department's newest firefighters. For probationary firefighter Freya Alford, it's training few get.
So this is actually a really rare experience, and not many academies get to do that. It's super cool getting to see how a fire is actually accumulating within a real house structure fire versus a training facility.
Watching a fire evolve helps firefighters understand how smoke moves, how heat builds, and why small decisions can make a life-saving difference.
I absolutely love it, and I wouldn't change it for anything. It's the best job in the whole wide world.
The day after, the flames are gone, but the lesson continues. Now, future fire investigators are walking through the same rooms, studying what's been left behind.
This is more hands-on. I'm learning a lot more doing hands-on stuff rather than in a classroom. This kind of shows me what to look at, what not to look at.
Every burned wall, melted wire, and smoke pattern is evidence waiting to be interpreted. Learning to read these clues helps investigators determine where a fire started and, ultimately, why.
I like the science behind it and how what you really see isn't really what started. Going in, digging it out, seeing what really started.
Hands-on training opportunities like these help prepare firefighters to respond more effectively, investigators to answer difficult questions, and ultimately to help protect the Fayetteville community.
And we're glad for the opportunity to train.